This video tutorial I will explain what is HTTP response. We can think of HTTP response is like receiving a package or letter in the mail. When you send a request, it is like mailing a letter or ordering something on the online. So when you make a request on the internet, like asking for a web page or a picture, the web server on the other end sends you the response. This response is like getting the package or letter you are waiting for. The response can contain different things. It might have the web page you asked for, or a picture, or even the message saying, sorry, the page does not exist. So the HTTP response is basically the answer you get when you make a request on the internet. It is like the content that comes back to your computer from the web server. Just like when you open a package or read a letter that arrives in your mailbox. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.